Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GHSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, but after today's price movement, updates need to be made. And I'm not going to say that the entire chart's destroyed. Now, granted, there is perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, and you bought right there, you bought, right there or there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, things are looking rough. But from the big picture, sure, there's been a big pullback, but the chart does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's what really matters. And this is also the why, like I said, I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but it's definitely a very important level here at 22 cents. And the reason 22 cents is so important, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 22 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign really of true strength. Whereas if the price can continue to do what it's already been doing, meaning comes down here, let's try that again, comes down here, bounces around, and then eventually starts to work its way back upwards, what would you have from the bigger picture? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, overall, you'd still have a very nice upwards trend with those stair steps making progress in a higher direction, which is what you want to see. So again, is 22 cents an absolute do or die level? Like I said, I'm not going to quite take it that far, but yeah, from an overall general health perspective and wanting to see the price look and the chart look as healthy as possible going forward, you just don't want to see the price going back to where it was, which again is what that 22 cent mark represents. So overall though, the big picture trend still has the opportunity to chip away and still continue to build those higher lows. So let's see if the price can stay up above 22 cents or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.